Hello and welcome to the latest episode of CAVC TV. I'm Leon Annett and I'm the Dean of Higher Education at Cardiff and Vale College. This week is Higher Education Week at CAVC, where we bring you lots of information about progressing your studies to gain a university level qualification to help boost your future prospects. If you're currently studying a Level 3 course, completing your course might seem a while away, but now is a good time to start thinking about your next step. At CAVC, there's a huge amount of support available to help you progress to university study. From our Careers and Ideas team, who offer advice and guidance with things like UCAS applications, to our very own range of higher education courses delivered right here at the college. Did you know we offer over 30 different university level courses at CAVC? From foundation degrees to full degrees and even PGCEs. Subjects range from sport to film to engineering. So, why study a higher education course with us? You can progress onto a university level course right here at the college, taking you closer to the career you want. Choosing to continue your studies with us can save you money, let you study in an environment with lots of personal support, and balance any work or life commitments alongside your studies. We offer dedicated HE spaces, specialist industry standard facilities, and designated HE areas exclusively for higher education learners. Our smaller class sizes ensure you receive high quality, supportive and personalised teaching. With course fees significantly lower on average than those at universities, you could save a large amount of money on fees and also by studying close to home with less travel and accommodation costs. Our HE course tutors are industry experts, dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. We are also the first college in Wales to go through the QAA Gateway Quality Review, which means you can be confident that your academic experience meets the quality standards expected of a university course. The college can also now award its own vocational higher education courses. As the first and only Microsoft Showcase college in the country, we are experts at delivering high quality online learning, so whatever happens, you continue to have a great experience and your learning continues. So how do you go about this next step? Well, here's a little more information about the support on offer at CAVC.
Hi, I'm Nick Aston, one of the careers coaches here at the college. I'm here to talk about just a few ways we can support you with your next steps to university level study. Our dedicated team is on hand to offer advice and guidance about courses, qualifications, careers advice and more. We offer workshops both on campus and online. These workshops include an introduction to HE, choosing your course and university, applying for UCAS step by step, and getting started on your personal statement. You can find lots of information and resources on our Careers and Ideas page on the student portal. You can also book an appointment with one of us at any time for friendly, helpful advice about your next steps. Please contact us at careers@cavc.ac.uk.
To find out more and to apply for a higher education course at CAVC, visit www.cavc.ac.uk/HE to browse courses and full details and hear from our current HE students about their experiences. You can also download or order a copy of our higher education course guide from the college website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.